Arbitrage review, legit crypto MLM or scam?
Legit crypto MLM or scam? Hey, this is Scott Rulon and I have been an accountant for 32 years and have reviewed hundreds of businesses. Here is my unbiased review. Please like, comment, subscribe or share this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive future videos. There has been some talk about this company, so I decided to take a closer look. Probabilities are someone approached you about their business opportunity and you landed here to make sure it's on the up and up. The good news is I am going to walk you through the company, products and compensation plan so you can make the correct decision. Just make sure you pay scrupulous attention and read this to the end. Arbitrage Go Review. Arbitrage Go is an MLM that operates in the cryptocurrency MLM niche. The company has claims to have a UK incorporation. It is purported headed by Carl Philby. There is almost no information about the business can be obtained immediately from the main website. In this Arbitrage Go review, we will be covering everything from the initial launch of the company to its compensation plans. Arbitrage Go's compensation plan in detail. The Arbitrage Go's compensation plan claims to generate an average net profit of 8 to 12% per week, with a turnaround of $750,000. Affiliates can receive a more significant share of this revenue by investing $200 or more. Compensation plan is split into ranks, look below. Bronze rank, investing $200 to $1,000 and receiving a 40% share of Arbitrage Go's daily ROI generation. Silver rank, investing $1,001 to $5,000 and receiving a 50% share of Arbitrage Go's daily ROI generation. Ruby rank, investing $5,001 to $15,000 and receiving a 60% share of Arbitrage Go's daily ROI generation. Gold rank, investing $15,000 to $40,000 and receiving a 60% share of Arbitrage Go's daily ROI generation. Diamond rank, investing $40,001 to $250,000 and receiving a 70% share of. The referral commissions pay with a uni-level compensation structure, which places an affiliate at the uni-level team's top. As an aside, all personally recruits continue placement directly under them. It constitutes as level 1 of the referral commission structure. Moreover, whenever any Group 1 affiliates recruit newer affiliates to the program, they are placed on the second level of the original affiliate's uni-level team. Likewise, for any Level 2 affiliates who recruit new affiliates, as they are placed on Level 3 and so forth. It also goes down theoretically past an infinite number of groups. Thus, all of the representative affiliates are those affiliates who can convince large numbers of people to invest and receive increased referral commission rates. Joining Arbitrage Go is quite simple, as the affiliate membership is free, and it is the only verifiable source of revenue that is entering Arbitrage Go. This new investment model pays existing affiliates daily, and it is possible to make a daily return through an Arbitrage Go, a Ponzi scheme. Final verdict. As usual with these kind of companies, information is very sketchy about the leadership and how it makes these phenomenal returns. If they could make these returns all by themselves, they would be very wealthy in few years. They really would not need you or me. Honestly, do not waste your time with this one, as it is Ponzi written all over it. They provide a way to part you from your hard-earned cash. My number one recommendation. Now that you landed on this blog, you want to actually know how to make money online, right? When it comes to crypto, one thing you need is cash flow so you can invest in more legit cryptocurrencies, and getting another job isn't the best way to do that. If you want to learn how you can increase your cash flow without trading your time for money. Once you learn this skill set and the mindset, the sky is the limit when it comes to cash flow. Therefore, you can invest in appreciating assets and build long-term wealth. Remember to follow me on social media below, because I am actually real and want to serve you. I hope you enjoyed my Arbitrage Go review, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. By the way, follow me on social media in the description field below. Scott Rulon. PS. Want to succeed in business? Then click here and check this out to take your game to the next level.